Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2014 Sea Ray 190 Sport. We'll start off at the stern of the boat. As you can see, there's a nice big sun pad back here for a 19-foot boat. Plenty of room to sit. Nice big sun pad here to sit and watch the kids. If we go through this boat, we have storage on the port and starboard side underneath the sun pad. This boat comes equipped with a 4.3 liter Mercruiser engine. This is a very low hour boat. We have twin sport seats that are also baluster. This boat comes with a Clarion stereo that is also Sirius XM ready. To the helm, we have full analog gauges. We have bilge blowers. We have the depth finder, throttle. We also have cup holders here as well. Log cup holders on this boat. Walking through to the helm, or walking through to the bow, we have nice storage under each seat. We have anchor storage at the very bow of the boat. Cup holders underneath, and stereo speakers up front as well. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.